Hello, in this section we say about CSS shadows. CSS shadow, when you want to apply shadow effects for texts or uh, containers or boxes, you use the shadow property. There are two types of properties, text shadow and box shadows. We will see both of them. So let's see first text shadow. So in order to apply text shadow, simply let's have some content, each one element having some titles. I need text shadow. So let's have style, having each one, then text shadow. Then we use syntax. Let me write it. So text shadow. Then horizontal. Shadow. Space. Then vertical. Shadow. Blur. And the color. So in that way we can apply shadow. So let's apply first 5 pixels horizontally, 2 pixels vertically, and let's see what it looks like. So here we do not put the color or blur effect. So let's see what will be the effect first. So as we see, here we have text shadows and we have a black color. So if you change here to, for example, to red by simply ignoring the blur effect, and let's decrease to 2 pixels for the horizontal also, since the text is not visible. So as you see, we get text shadow. So that's beautiful. So let's have some blur effect of 5 pixels, and let's see what it looks like on the blur effect. So it looks more beautiful. So I love this feature. So text shadow, we can apply text shadow by using this technique. The next shadow feature or property is box shadow. So let's see how we apply box shadow. The other shadow type we can apply it using for boxes. So let's have some div element. So first let's divide it by using each arrow, then let's have box. So let's set some properties for the div. So here the width that becomes 200 pixel and height of 200 pixel and border of 1 pixel. Simply just leave it as black. Now let's refresh and see what it looks like. I think so. Here is our box. Let's apply some properties. So in order to apply the box shadow, we use box, then shadow, then properties like horizontal shadow to be 5 pixel and vertical shadow to be 5 pixel, and the color, or you can apply the blur effect. So let's apply first color from green. Let's refresh it. So now we get box shadow. You can have some blur effect, for example 3 pixel of blur effect. Then as you see, we get some blur effects. So sometimes we need a number of shadows. So in that case, for example, let's have shadow of another color of 5 pixels. So we can also have multiple shadows. So in order to make that, let's add someone. As we see here, we have the first shadow. Then let's add some shadow at 10 pixel, 10 pixel. The other is at 50 pixel and 50 pixel. Now if we refresh and so we see that shadow which is green, yellow, and red. So here, when we put shadow, we have to put that in order. So 5 pixel, then after 5 pixel, amount of pixel, you add on the 5 pixel, then amount of pixel, you add on yellow pixel. So for example, if I make it to 5 pixel, the yellow part is not visible. So you see, the yellow part will not be visible because it is on bottom of the green shadow. So we have to make it by adding amount of effects before that. So that is how we apply box shadows on elements. Thank you.